The audit is over, but the work isn't finished yet. In Part 3, Nam and Mai will move from audit findings to action. They'll discuss corrective actions, preventative actions, responsibilities, deadlines, and follow-up audits. How do you clearly report an audit issue and make sure it doesn't happen again? Let's join Nam and Mai and find out.
The meeting with the supervisor went better than I expected.
Yes, he appreciated that we had already identified the root causes.
He also said our corrective actions must be practical.
Right. He doesn't want actions that only look good on paper.
Which action should we complete first?
The expired labels. That's the highest priority.
The warehouse team has already replaced every incorrect label.
Good.
They also separated all suspect material until everything was verified.
That's exactly what the customer expected.
The containment action worked well.
Yes, but now we need a preventive action.
What's the difference again?
A corrective action removes the cause of the current problem.
And a preventive action stops similar problems from happening again.
Exactly.
The supervisor suggested adding barcode verification before materials enter production.
That will reduce human error.
IT is also developing an automatic warning system.
That's even better.
How about the missing signatures?
Every team leader must review the production records before operators leave.
That's simple but effective.
We also updated the daily checklist.
I noticed a new section this morning.
Now supervisors must confirm that every document is complete.
Accountability is much clearer now.
The customer was especially concerned about training.
Yes, several operators couldn't explain the purpose of some procedures.
That surprised me.
Me too.
The supervisor wants every operator to attend refresher training next week.
Will there be a test?
Yes. Everyone must pass before working independently again.
That's a good way to ensure competency.
Exactly.
What about the expired calibration sticker?
Maintenance has already sent the instrument for calibration.
Good.
They also created a reminder system 30 days before the due date.
That should prevent the same mistake.
That's the goal.
Did the customer mention a follow-up audit?
Yes. They'll return in about 3 months.
That's not much time.
No, but we have a clear improvement plan.
We'll need evidence that every action has been completed.
Exactly. Photos, updated documents, training records, and meeting minutes.
We should review everything every month.
I agree.
Looking back, this audit taught us a lot.
Definitely.
At first, I felt disappointed because there were so many findings.
I felt the same way.
But now I realize the audit wasn't meant to blame us.
Right. It was meant to help us improve.
If we fix the root causes, the same problems won't happen again.
Exactly.
Next time, I hope we receive fewer major findings.
Me too.
And maybe even some positive comments from the customer.
I'm confident we will.
Let's keep improving every day.
Agreed. Continuous improvement is everyone's responsibility.
And that's the end of Part 3. Today, we learned how to communicate audit findings, corrective actions, responsibilities, deadlines, and follow-up plans clearly and professionally. Remember, a good audit doesn't just identify problems, it helps prevent them from happening again. Thanks for learning with us, and see you in the next lesson.